at 165A Beach Haven Road in Beach Haven.
This property offers the ideal combination of modern style and comfort, featuring single level living and a freehold title. Set down a private driveway, you're greeted with a large open plan living area that flows seamlessly outside, capturing all day sun. You have 3 good sized bedrooms, a family bathroom and double glazing throughout.
With plenty of parking spaces, storage and in a walkable distance to shops and amenities, this one is one not to be missed. This one will be sure to tick all the boxes. My name's Hannah, this is David. Let's go take a look.